Welcome to our channel Box Office Release. Let's start the video now. The Matrix 4 release date has been moved up by Warner Bros. Pictures. Keanu Reeves' starrer film will now arrive in theaters on March 4th of 2022. Originally, it was supposed to hit screens in June 2021 and was pushed back to October 2021 because of the delays in shoot due to outbreak of coronavirus. The sequel, which sees Keanu Reeves and Carrie-Anne Moss returning to their original roles as Neo and Trinity, has seen its production paused in March as a result of the pandemic, causing its release to be pushed back. However, among a larger reshuffle at Warner Bros., it has now been brought forward again. As per the update, Keanu Reeves will be playing as Neo, Carrie-Anne Moss will portray the role of Trinity, Jada Pinkett Smith will be playing the role of Niobe, Lambert Wilson will play the role of the Merovingian, Daniel Bernhardt will be playing the role of the Agent Johnson, and some more will also be joining the cast of The Matrix 4, but the role they play is not discussed yet to the public. That includes Yahya Abdul-Mateen II, Neil Patrick Harris, Jessica Henwick, Jonathan Groff, Toby Onumir, Max Rimmelt, Arundhati Ibarra, Priyanka Chopra, Andrew Caldwell, Brian J. Smith, and Ellen Hallman. There may be more characters in The Matrix 4, the fans have to wait to know. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest update about all series and upcoming movies. The plot of the film is not revealed yet. In an interview, the actor Keanu Reeves, who is reprising the role of Neo, stated that the screenplay of the movie is a beautiful script that's a love story and is inspiring, and also mentioned that this is inspired by the call to wake up and also with some actions. Rather than the why behind Neo's resurrection, the bigger mystery of The Matrix 4 is the how. A plethora of exciting theories for Neo's return have been mooted since the announcement was made. These include being revived by the Oracle, a previous version of Neo time traveling from the past, and Keanu Reeves playing an entirely different character. Another potential explanation is that Neo is still alive inside the Matrix as a digital entity. Part of the Matrix's mass appeal can be chalked up to the trilogy polar opposite settings, the futuristic real world of Zion, and the more recognizable simulation that the likes of Neo, Morpheus, and Trinity manipulate to their will. Each major human character then has two separate incarnations. For example, the badass, leather-clad Trinity riding motorbikes and shooting up bad guys in the Matrix, contrasting with the more ordinary, plainly dressed woman in Zion. It's possible that then the machines killed Agent Smith by shooting a surge of electricity through Neo's body, only his physical body was killed, while Neo's residual self-image remained unharmed. The Matrix Revolution sets a precedent for this with the return of the Oracle, who was absorbed by Agent Smith just like Neo but returned to life by the final scene. Since the Oracle was entirely composed of code, it seems that Smith's destruction did not affect the digital entities the villain has assimilated. Neo's RSI could still be out there. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest update about all series and upcoming movies. It's not a stretch to imagine that the Matrix might store RSIs within its memory, but without the physical Neo to plug into the Matrix, his data would be uselessly floating around in the digital ether, like leaving save files on a hard drive after already uninstalling the game. The Matrix 4 could be less about resurrecting Neo and more about turning his lingering RSI into a sentient being in its own right, similar to programs such as the Oracle and the Architect. This would fit neatly with on-set images that have emerged from The Matrix's filming. These shots depict an older Neo in everyday clothes, seemingly within the Matrix and as oblivious to his own importance as he was during the Thomas Anderson days. These scenes might show Neo's lost RSI inside the Matrix, living an ordinary life without his physical form to plug in and take control. However, some major releases are still planned for 2020. Wonder Woman 1984, Free Guy, and Soul are scheduled for release in December. Watch about them to link in description. Apart from the Batman, Warner Bros. Has also pushed the release of The Flash and Shazam 2. The Ezra Miller starrer will now hit screens on November 4th of 2022 instead of June 23rd of 2022, and Shazam 2, which was supposed to release on November 4th of 2022, will open on June 2nd of 2023. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more box office, movie, web series, reviews, news and update, please visit our website www.boxofficerelease.com. And if you like our video, then hit the like button and share with your friends, and to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Box Office Release.